Hello, my dear students. Welcome on my YouTube channel. In my previous videos, I think you already have watched. I have discussed about the formation and the situation of formation of Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission, the names of its members, the name of its chairman, the recommendation of Kothari Commission. My dear students, many of you have watched and have commented on my YouTube channel. Thanks for this. If you have any query about this, please ask me on the given link. Today, I am going to discuss with you about the structure of education as per the recommendation of the Kothari Commission. In the recommendation of Kothari Commission, they put opinion that quality of education of a country depends on four matters. The criterion that governs the quality of education are: number one, structure of whole education system and the number of steps in that structure and their interrelationship. Number two, span of every steps of learning and fixed span for every educational step. Number three, materials of education and other accessories like teacher, process of teacher recruitment, process of teaching, teaching aids, etc. Number four, the available advantages and its fruitful use. So, these are the criterion that governs the quality of education of a country. Now, I am going to tell you the structure of education that Kothari Commission or Indian Education Commission recommends. The Commission recommends that there will be 1 to 3 years of pre-primary education. The education will not be mandatory, but the government will encourage and will arrange fund for the pre-primary education of 1 to 3 years. Step number 2, there will be primary education for 7 to 8 years. The primary education will be divided into two parts. Number 1 part, first 5 years lower primary, and the next 2 or 3 years higher primary. The whole education system, the whole primary education system will be completely free of costs for every student and will be mandatory as per the Constitution of India. Step number 3, after primary education or the higher primary education, there will be vocational education for 1 to 3 years or 2 or 3 years lower secondary education. In this stage, the student will have to pay 20% of their course fees. Number 4, step number 4, 2 years higher secondary education or 1 to 3 years vocational education. In this stage, the student will have to pay 50% of their educational fees. Number 5, the commission states that class 9, 10 or 8, 9, 10 will be under lower secondary education. On the other hand, 11 and 12 will be under higher secondary education. Number 6, after completing higher secondary, the student will get admission in 3 years degree course. In this 3 years of degree course, for the special education, the students will have to qualify first year in their 3 years degree course, and after the completion there will be some selected colleges, and in these selected colleges some selected subjects will be available for the students who will qualify and wants to get special education. In this second stage of degree course, the span of education will different. So my dear students, as per my lectures on the structures of education as per the recommendation of Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission, the structure of whole education system will be like 10 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. That means 10 years of primary to secondary education, 2 years higher secondary education, 3 years degree course, and 2 years and the another 2 years will be special degree course. So these were the structure of education as per the recommendation of Indian Education Commission or Kothari Commission. Thank you, my dear students. In my previous class we already have discussed about many things of Kothari Commission or recommendation of Kothari Commission. Today I have discussed about the structures of education as per the recommendation of Kothari Commission. In my next class I will discuss about some important recommendation and their importance on the Indian education system as per the recommendation of Kothari Commission. Thank you. My dear students, notes related to the videos have already been given in PDF format in our college WhatsApp group. You can also find the supporting notes in every video's description. If you want more about the video or about the topic, you can also mail me on shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. You can also follow me on my YouTube channel subhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. That is shubhendu.haldar57@gmail.com. The mail ID has also given on the video description. Thank you.